All right, so one of the main questions we get with Maxwell One is how do you apply it, and is it as easy as the videos and the ads show? Simple answer is yes, it is that easy. All you have to do is take Maxwell One, just spray it on the surface, wipe it, you're done. It's literally that easy. Maxwell One cleans, it shines, it protects every single part of your car. Whatever you want to apply it to, it will protect it for a really long time. Sometimes you might need to buff a little bit if you spray a little too much, but that's really it. It's that simple. Today I'm going to show you how to use Maxwell One. As you can see, this hood is filthy. There's water spots all over it. There's bird poop, there's bugs, and just a ton of pollen. All you got to do to apply this is just spray it on. This hood is more moderately dirty and has a little bit more hard stuck water spots, so I'm applying a little more than usual. But all you're gonna do is just wipe it in. If you see a couple of areas that are more contaminated, I would spray a little bit more Maxwell One on my microfiber towel and just go back and make sure you get all those. Also, a tip is to start with the less contaminated area on your car, as your microfiber will get more saturated with Maxwell One and make it easier to clean these heavier contaminated areas. After you're done, I would just go back with the dry side of a microfiber towel or use a whole different towel and just make sure you smooth it all in and make sure there's nothing left. So here we have some Maxwell One, and I'll show you Maxwell One is just that smooth and that slippery. Like right there, the bottle's just trying to slide right off, even from the very top of it. And here's the difference, insane before and after. And this is on imperfect paint too. It takes minutes. If you have any more questions about Maxwell One or any of our other products, just leave a comment down below, send us an email, and we'll try to get to them. So have a good day.